So we have a question here from Cocoon, who sent this question a while ago. So my apologies just for getting for now, but here it is. It's a good question, and I'm going to read it out. It's a long one, so stick with me here. It says, my question is your opinion of analysis, and I'd like you to think about it. I'm interested in student rentals, and I want to own one in the next year with my brother, but now I'm saving up for a portion of the down payment, and I came up with something that I had never considered before: inflation. I realized that through a period of 1 year, a 2% drop in my purchasing power is not huge. It hurts my ego, which it should, to know that some of my hard-earned money is being lost for no reason. So I've been looking into alternatives, gold and stocks, but I was doing this and I thought, how would inflation affect me when I buy a student rental property that's cash flowing? I know I can raise my rent each year to match inflation, but I realized that if I'm paying interest on the mortgage and it's manageable, inflation works to my advantage because my loan is losing its purchasing power. So you have hit on the exact thing that makes real estate so wonderful. You know, the way we look at real estate is that if the property is paying for itself and provides monthly cash flow, we almost don't care if the property goes up in value or slightly down in value over a period of time. If we're paying off that mortgage over time and we're paying our debt obligation and we're getting cash flow each month, we're happy. But inflation kind of runs its course whether we want it to happen or not. So if the price of the property goes up every year, or kind of like a little bit up and down, but over time, over like a stretch of 10 years, overall it's up because of inflation, you are hitting on a great point. The debt load that you had becomes way more manageable because you're paying it with cheaper dollars later on, so the debt really looks like little, it's not a big deal to you at all. So inflation, when you own real estate, in our opinion, works to your advantage. It's a great thing. So we don't plan on getting it. We never expect to get it. We never go into a property hoping that we get inflation. But when you do, it makes the debt look smaller and you're paying it back with cheaper dollars in the future. So it is a wonderful benefit. But again, I just want to be clear. We always look at a property that cash flows by itself or at least meets its obligations. And as far as student rentals go, we're big fans of student rentals. We'd highly recommend you getting into student rentals as long as you know there will be a little bit more maintenance, a little bit more hassles, a little bit more vacancies that you might have to fill. There's something going on in the office here. Someone I think just fell down and took a filing cabinet down with them. But so hopefully you find that helpful. Overall, inflation works to your advantage with real estate. We're fans on it. We just never planned for it. Until next time, your life, your terms.